So let me here ask you if it was possible to reach a ceasefire agreement in Gaza in the coming days and within the circumstances occurring.
There should have been a ceasefire, and there should be a ceasefire, or there could be a ceasefire in the coming days if it wasn't for the arbitrariness of Netanyahu. Netanyahu remains arbitrary in his policies because he knows very well that after the ICC ruling against him and Gallant, in fact, he knows that he is going to be prosecuted, and as well he's going to be tried for the corruption offenses that he has carried out inside Israel. In fact, the situation is catastrophic in Palestine. It's been a year and 4 months of genocidal war running in Palestine, and so there has to be some kind of a ceasefire by now. As well, the conditions that Netanyahu always lays out are actually arbitrary conditions that impede a ceasefire from being done eventually. Palestine is suffering, and the population in the Gaza Strip are suffering beyond measure. All the infrastructure, the water plants are destroyed. Even these so-called safe havens and refugee camps are not safe for Palestinians. Palestinians get burned alive in these so-called safe havens. And Netanyahu is just trying to procrastinate until 2025, until Donald Trump takes office, in order to present some kind of a gift to Donald Trump, and not really a comprehensive ceasefire.
Now, from your point of view, why has the occupation forces intensified their attacks on the Gaza Strip in those recent days?
The Israeli occupation forces are trying to galvanize its capacities to pressure the Palestinian people, and this is what Ben Gvir and Netanyahu have been saying. They want the Palestinians to be forcibly displaced. In fact, the genocidal war Israel has been waging on Palestine has not yet achieved all of its goals, being displacement, forcible displacement of the Palestinians, and complete demolishing of the infrastructure of the Gaza Strip. But the Palestinian people are still standing tall and holding on to their territory despite all the genocidal practices from the end of Israel, and despite the Israelis using internationally prohibited weaponry. In fact, the Palestinian people prostrate only before God and not before any other party.
Right, that was Secretary of the Fatah Movement, Zaid Taym. Thank you so much for your insights.